Islam, peace, love, and energy, energy, energy. I am Sade Renee L, all rights reserved, and I'm back at it again with another video. And today I'm actually going to be doing a very, very quick video. Just going to read off the Science of Relativity. All right, per usual, I'm just going to read straight through it. The mathematical order of existence provides understanding to the phenomenon of any relative term dealing with the physical concept of time, space, and motion. Relativity is the quality or state of being relative. It is a term that describes the characteristic of one object in connection with another. For example, the astrological fact of the universe is used by the Asiatic Black man to predict the history of the Nation of Islam by the use of the stars and other heavenly bodies. This is a symbolic expression that as is in the heaven, so shall it be on earth. Sun, Black man, moon, woman, star, the babies. The reality of our history manifested this expression, but this is a relative term. The realm of relativity consists of the fourth dimensions, which is illusion. This is the dimension of time. It is the beginning of an object coming into a state of being that did not enter the state of consciousness until the action transformation occurred, bringing it into the state opposite to the state is also the beginning of a consciousness becoming unconscious. There is no definite form for any object which is materialistic. Things that exist derive from a universal transformation of a gas, liquid, and solid. Time is a relative term that describes the motion of the heavenly bodies in space to the different objects in our atmosphere. But time did not motivate our heavenly bodies or these objects. The darkness of the universe or space, as it's referred to in its energy, that these heavenly bodies are motivated by, it was the force of the mind that caused the motion of the atom to come into cohesion, which shaped and formed a materialistic world. Thus, we must understand all the biochemical physical forms, original elements, will return back to its natural state of pure gas. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity is that the theory which is based on a concept of time, space, and motion, that motion from a point of view appears as the relative motion to one with the respect to another, the sun with the moon and the stars. Motion is never observable as motion. The principles of relativity in its widest sense is contained in this statement. The physical phenomena is such character that it gives no basis for the introduction of the concept of absolute motion. This theory also includes a general and special theory of relativity, deal with these and many relatives terms concerning the science of living mathematics, even though it's in its illusion in its use, for a means of expression. These are in relative one state opposite the other. Life, death, beginning, end, love, hate, truth, lies. This even includes kinship. In this world of shape and form, everything is relative, but for one to say he can relate something to the mind is to say there is an equal and greater force. The mind is the principle of existence and the manifestation of the universe. It is not the cohesion with time and cannot be called into play within the supreme power and force that motivates infinity itself, and relativity with all its relation could never be absolute. Peace. And remember, study all things, keep that which is good. Again, peace and love, Islam.